Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update for Friday, March 11th, 2016. And today in our news updates, we have the Department of Justice that says that Apple has a corrosive attitude and that it is really wondering if Apple wants the best for everyone. They also say that a backdoor or some way to unlock phones is not a demand that is such a problem, which I don't agree because a backdoor is just that. You'll give access to not just the Department of Justice, but to pretty much everyone. It's much more than an issue of something that is security and everything for finding out what's happening in terrorists and stuff. It's just the fact that a backdoor will be exploited by some bad guys, and that leaves everybody unsafe. Amazon.com was offline yesterday for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on where you were, and there's no word yet as to what happened, but it seems that the website crashed around 2:25 p.m. yesterday afternoon, and even the apps Amazon apps were not actually connecting for 10 to 15 minutes. Amazon haven't said anything, but it is kind of interesting to see why they were down. There's always a scare when a website goes down. Did something just crash, or was it some kind of attack? What happened here? And especially with Amazon being such a big retailer, having so much information about everybody, it's always something that we have to be careful of. Well, Java, I've said it so many times that Java should not be on any computer because, like Flash, it is prone to a lot of security flaws. Well, a 2013 flaw that was patched, well, there are some computer security analysts that said, you know what, that flaw is still easy to exploit. They didn't really fix it in 2013 when you look at it. And apparently every version of Java is prone to being exploited by this flaw. So of course Java working on an update. But once again, if you don't need Java for anything and you got it on your computer, uninstall it. It is a piece of software that has, like Flash Player, been really read through a lot of problems with security updates and a lot of flaws that could be exploited. And actually, when I look at my tech work, I did see many clients that actually were infected through a Java applet that used a flaw. Well, Apple is of course scheduled with a event on March 21st, and we are still wondering. And Apple has a pretty good way of keeping a lot of secrets. So what will we see on March 21st? One of the pretty sure winner that we think everybody will say, yep, it will come out, is an iPhone 5 SE, which would be an iPhone 5 with a bigger screen, and also it would have the internals of the iPhone 6. So that could be interesting. A new iPad Air is a possibility also, bringing to the iPad Air 3 now, that would have, of course, a more powerful engine and would also have even thinner design apparently. Apple Watch 2, pretty much everybody thinks Apple Watch 2 will be available and come out in this Apple event. And although not really sure, but some people say Apple might actually bring up a Apple VR or virtual reality headset. That could be quite interesting to see also, and see if Apple actually jumps on the bandwagon of the virtual reality. This is pretty much the year of VR, and so Apple would probably have something like that maybe, but there's nothing sure in here. So we'll all see that, and of course I'll have a little update of that event when it happens on Monday, March 21st. Windows 10 Mobile, if you are on the Insider Preview, Windows 10 Mobile had a Insider update yesterday to build 14283. So if you're an insider in the fast ring, you can update your Windows 10 phone. So check it out. So that's pretty much what we have of news for this Friday, March 11th, 2016. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything you want to know, let us know. And I hope you enjoy our videos and that you will come back to our channel. Thank you for watching.